simple skit. It's a conversation between a parent and his child about, guess what? Cough drops. Cough drops. In church. Hey, you're saying, what? Well, it goes to show that God loves all kinds of people with all kinds of tastes. So let's have the parent and the child come and tell us, what's this about cough drops?
Hey Diana, what do you like best about church?
I like cough drops.
I know you like cough drops, but what do you like best about church?
Well, cough drops are important to little kids like me.
Cough drops are very nice if you have a cough.
You mean if I don't have a cough, they're not nice?
Oh, I imagine you'd like them any time, but they're for a cough.
Well, I like them in church.
Cough or not,
I feel so good when I'm sitting next to you and kind of snuggling up, chewing a cough drop.
kind of good.
What? Like belonging, you know?
Belonging?
That's the way I feel about church. I belong here, where the music is and where the words say that God loves me, even if I am a little kid.
Even if?
Well, I don't have a job or anything like that, but God doesn't seem to mind.
No, God doesn't seem to mind at all. In fact, I'd venture to say that God likes very much to have you in church, unemployed though you might be.
Cough drops and all?
Cough drops and all.